2014 Forest River Cardinal for sale in Indianapolis, Indiana. 46217 2014 Forest River Cardinal 5th wheel 40-foot camper CAF 3850 RLFOR sale. Purchased new in 2015. Moving in must sale. Auto levelers, auto satellite DirecTV, generator, water softener, with D2 AC units, fireplace, 2 leather recliners with console, leather couch bed, 3 TVs, 1 is outside, full-size French, gas select water heater, heat traced water line, waste tank heaters and level indicators, 50 feet 58 power cord and adapter cords. Willing to sell 2015 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty truck with camper feeding truck to Pullnet. Please call 855-978-6455 for more information.